My experience as a motorcycle rider, riding and racing for the last 24 years, I kind of take these cases personally because I know what it's like to be cut off. I know what it's like to be thrown off of a motorcycle, and I know what it's like to break bones as a result of a motorcycle accident. So I do have some unique empathy or sympathy for my clients who've been involved in a motorcycle accident, and I think that helps me in working that case up. If you're involved in a motorcycle accident and you're severely injured, there are a number of things you need to make sure that you are compensated for. Number one is the past medical bills that you incurred as a result of the injury. And you also have to take a look at the future medical bills, because if you are severely injured, you're almost going to have future medical care. That needs to be looked at, and a dollar amount needs to be put on that. The other thing you need to look at is loss of earnings. If you're off work for 2 years, 10 years, or the rest of your life, this all needs to be calculated into a sum that we can present to the insurance company. This is all something that we do at Estey Bomberger. We hire the proper experts to take a look at all this stuff, evaluate it, and put it together for us. The number one mistake that a motorcycle accident victim makes is talking to the adjuster without an attorney present. That adjuster does not have your best interest in mind. That adjuster is there to save that insurance company money, and they will come to the hospital when you're on drugs and try to get a statement from you on a recording, which will seem innocuous at first, but I'm telling you right now, those questions could undermine or hurt your case in the future. So you need to have an attorney present when talking to an adjuster. When you take on a motorcycle case involving a catastrophic injury or a death, and you realize that you are the last line of defense for that client, it's an important role. And we've taken this on multiple times where you have a client with a brain injury or orthopedic injuries that is no longer going to be able to work. And I take great pride in my firm's ability to make sure that ultimately this person is not going to have to worry about money. You can obviously never go back to pre-accident status, but we try to make the person's life easier, and so they don't have to worry about things they would have to worry about if they hadn't got an attorney.